Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the OIIKI 4 Sheets Colorful Star Face Eye Stickers. Without a doubt, the best neon face stickers for anyone looking to add some serious sparkle to their look. If you love experimenting with fun makeup styles or you're looking for the perfect accessory for your next festival or party, stick around as we dive into everything this product has to offer. First, let's talk about the variety you get with this pack. The OIIKI set includes 4 sheets of face stickers, each featuring a different design: stars, hearts, squares, and round rhinestones. These colorful face jewels are perfect for adding that extra pop of bling to your eyes, face, nails, or even your forehead. With their beautiful and eye-catching designs, you'll be sure to stand out in any crowd. Whether you're getting ready for a themed party, a festival, Halloween, or just want to jazz up your daily look, these face gems are a fun way to bring your makeup to the next level. One of the standout features of these stickers is the quality of the rhinestones. Made from high-quality acrylic, these gems shine brightly under both natural light and artificial lighting, making them perfect for events where you want to sparkle and shine. The adhesive is strong enough to keep them in place, yet gentle on the skin, ensuring a comfortable wear without causing any irritation. Plus, they're easy to apply and remove, so you can switch up your look without any hassle. These face jewels are incredibly versatile. Not only are they great for your face, but you can also use them on your nails or even body art to add that little bit of glam. They're perfect for occasions like Halloween, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or any event where you want to add some fun and creativity to your appearance. Imagine using them to create a sparkling eye makeup look for a festival, or adorning your forehead with a unique design at a themed party. The possibilities are endless. Another great thing about this product is that it makes a perfect gift. Whether it's for your daughter, sister, mother, or friend, these face gems are sure to put a smile on their face. If you're looking for a gift that's both creative and fun, this is definitely a great option. And with a generous number of stickers in each pack, you'll have plenty to experiment with and share. In terms of practicality, the OIIKI face stickers are waterproof, meaning they'll stay in place even if you're sweating or caught in a light drizzle. This makes them ideal for long events or outdoor activities where you still want to look fabulous. Plus, the rhinestones come in a variety of sizes, so you can customize your design to suit your unique style. To wrap things up, if you're looking for the best neon face stickers to elevate your look, the OIIKI 4 Sheets Colorful Star Face Eye Stickers are definitely worth considering. With their high-quality acrylic rhinestones, ease of application, and versatile design, they're the perfect addition to any makeup collection. So, whether you're gearing up for a special event or just want to add a touch of glamour to your everyday style, these face jewels are the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the latest and greatest products. See you next time.